Guys, this is Megha. Welcome back to our channel Roam by Ranis. I am here with another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about everything on Bath and Body Works. And I've recently been to Bath and Body Works store in Mumbai and I picked up a lot of stuff. It's crazy when you go to Bath and Body Works store. Now this is a brand which I personally enjoy shopping. I really enjoy anything which has to do with nice fragrances, nice body care, candles and many more. I'm a kind of a person who is obsessed with smelling good, so I personally prefer Bath and Body Works. They are genuine, they are decent good products, they are luxurious and they are expensive, but they're worth buying it. So I'm going to show you all the products which I bought from Bath and Body Works. I hope you will like this video. I hope you will enjoy and you will find some products interesting in this video. And without further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first and foremost product which I picked up, I was very excited when I got this product. These are their Bath and Body Works Wallflowers. So this is how the Wallflowers looks. This is also known as the pluggable home fragrance diffusers. So now this comes in a plastic kind of a material. You just have to plug in into your switchboard and you get those scented bottles. You just have to put it here and the aroma comes from top of it. Now you can see it has those studs to it. It has that glitter finish, that diamond finish to it, and this is not even heavy. It's very light in weight. It comes with a note here which says use only with properly functioning 2020 to 2040 volt electrical outlets, and you can change and renew the scent with Wallflowers home fragrance refills only. So that is the plus point, that is the advantage. You can anytime change your refills. If you have something new to at home, you can attach that of Bath and Body Works and you can use this. Now this is a very good product, guys. I mean, it's worth buying it. You don't have to buy it again. It will last long. You just have to buy those refills which you easily get it any Bath and Body Works store or maybe online as well on their website. Now this diffuser looks very good, very classy when you put this in your bedroom or maybe your master bedroom or maybe hall. And this I got it for ₹1299. Very good product, guys. So I picked up 4 of this and this is the first one. Let me show you the second one. This comes into that golden finish. The first one which I've shown you was the silver finish. This is a gold finish and this I picked up for $9.95. I don't know why the difference in their rate, but this is for $9.95. So again, it's very nice, very classy. You can use this whenever you have any function at home also. It gives that kind of aura in your house. Very nice, guys. I really love this one. Moving on to the third diffuser, and this is how the third diffuser looks. Now this has that holographic tint to it. Very classy again, that kind of a silver finish to it. And again, I really love this. This is for ₹1499. I really don't know why the difference was, but yes, this is for ₹1499 and it's very nice, guys. I think you should definitely try it once. I haven't tried these diffusers earlier, but I was very much looking forward to buy this one and I wanted to try it. So yeah, I mean, I'm definitely going to try this. So this is my last diffuser of Bath and Body Works is this. I really liked the first one. I liked actually this one when I've seen this at this store, and this has that crystal stone finish to it. If you can see it clearly, it has that crystal stone finish. Again, that holographic that shine is there on this as well, and this is really good. It's not heavy at all and this looks so pretty. I mean, I really want my followers, if they really like this one, try this ones. These are good. They are expensive, but they look very decent, very classy when you put it in your hall, in your bedroom and all. And this is again for $1499. So I mean, this is worth buying. I mean, you don't have to invest again in this. You just have to buy those refills and just you have to change that one, so this will last definitely for long. So this is the one which I actually loved it. I wanted to pick up all 4 of this, but then I thought why not to try all 4 different diffusers. So this is again my favorite. Now coming to the scented bottles, I picked up 5 of them. I picked up 1 extra just like the fragrance. The first one is the Bergamot Waters. This is the 24 ml bottle. So you just have to open the cap of this and apply it in the diffuser, like it just goes right into this. So when you apply this, I'm not opening it right now, other the fragrance will come out. Just have to put it inside and just lock it. Coming to the fragrance, I am using the Bergamot Waters candle. So my review for candle definitely is good, because it is like it makes the environment very calm, and you know, it's stress relieving, very fresh, watery, you know, that kind of fragrance you get it. So that's the reason I picked up the scented bottle of this. So it was available. I got this for $5.99, and as I said, this is 24 ml bottle, so this is for $5.99 guys. So I think it's worth, I mean, it's not that expensive also. So I definitely gonna try this. So I picked up 5 of this. This is the first one. The second one I picked up is the linen and lavender. This is again, these all bottles are 24 ml bottles, and this is also for $5.99. So all these bottles are for $5.99. Now this has very light fragrance. Actually, it's not that strong. I don't like that strong fragrances when it comes to your home fragrance. This is very lavender, you know, how lavender smells. So this is like similar to lavender itself, and it has a linen finish. I mean, you know, I don't know how to explain linen now, but it has very light fragrance and very subtle fragrance to it, not strong at all, and very refreshing actually. So I really like this one when I tried the testers, and that's why I picked up this one. So yeah, this is the second one which I picked up. Coming to a third bottle is the Eucalyptus Plus Spearmint Stress Relief. This is how the third one looks. Again, this is a transparent bottle. Now with the name itself, you can understand this is stress relief. And the moment I took the fragrance of this bottle, I was in another world. I mean, you know, when you go for any massages, Thai massages, the kind of fragrance you get in those parlors, you know, in those salons, exactly that fragrance. And I really like that fragrance. I especially sometimes I feel I go for massages for those kind of you know, the aroma which you get it in this parlor. So this is really stress relieving. And the eucalyptus fragrance, obviously everybody knows it's very nice, very refreshing, very minty. At times you get those fragrance, but it's really nice. And this is their aromatherapy special edition actually. So I really like this one. You get those candles also in this, which I will show you later. I picked up one candle also in this, and this is really, I liked it. This is again for $5.99. For the one, now this has that cherry red color to it. Now this fragrance actually has that cherry fragrance, like a fruity fragrance, not too much of fruity also, but that you know, very subtle fruity fragrance to it. And I haven't tried this earlier. You get those candles also in this fragrance, but I never tried it. And I really like the fragrance when I seen the tester, and I wanted to try this one, so I picked up this cherry flowery fragrance. So yeah, this is again a good one. The last scented fragrance, which is 1,000 Wishes. Now this is like, you know, not too much of fruity. Again, it's a mix of musk and fruity, so it's not that strong at all. When I tried the tester, I really liked the fragrance. It's very subtle, very calming, and I actually like the such fragrances which is very subtle, light in fragrance, and which makes the environment very classy, very cooling, you know. So this is one of those, and this all bottles which I've shown you, all are very good. So I got this one as well. This is the extra which I picked up. I mean, the 4 which I picked up, and this one also. This I really like when I seen the tester, and I really liked it. So I thought, let me pick up this as well. So all these bottles are very budgeted. You can easily get this any Bath and Body store, or maybe on their website also it must be available. So the refills you can pick up anytime. Obviously the diffuser are like one-time investment, but I'm sure they come with more of new collections. So if you are interested in this, you can go to Bath and Body Works website and check it out. Moving on to our next product is the Bath and Body Works Car Fragrance Vent Clip. It looks so classy, guys. So it is a very girly one. So this you can put it in your car for the night's fragrance which you get it. So this is a clip, it's a vent clip. You just have to plug this on your vent machine of the AC, and you get those scent also of this, which I'll show you. You just have to plug in, you have to open this from here and you have to plug it inside. So guys, I'm using this, it's there in my car, and the fragrance is simply amazing. I have the eucalyptus and the spearmint one, and this is the fragrance I'm talking about. And this vent, I really liked it. It looks very, very girly, you know, it has that those glitter finish to it. So yeah, I liked it and I picked up. So this is one, and this I got it for $6.99. Yeah, I'm okay with it, but it's very good. It's a plasticky finish to it, and it's not heavy at all. So I'm gonna definitely use this one. Now the fragrances which you get for this vent are like something like this. It's a sleek you know, kind of a plastic cover, and the oil is inside of this. You just have to peel it from backside, and you have to insert this in this vent clip. So just peel it off from behind and put it. And this is the fragrance which I got, is Endless Weekend. So I'm currently using this Endless Weekend in my car already. So I got this, and when the moment I seen this at the store, and I picked up, and this is really good. I mean, I'm using this, it stays for long. The moment I enter in my car, I'm in different world altogether. So everybody wants that kind of a fragrance in their car. When you enter, it should, you know, it should smell good, really good. No boot smell, or no you know, any food smell inside. But when you put this in your car, it gives different fragrance altogether, guys. So I really request, if someone who are obsessed with fragrances, you should definitely try this also in your car. And this I got it for $3.49. So per piece is for $3.49. I picked up 3 of this. The next fragrance which I picked up is the Rose Water and Ivy. Now this has that rose fragrance, so it is not that strong. It's not that Indian rose fragrance, you know, the normal which you get, the rose water. It's not that at all. If you have tried Body Shop British Rose, this is exactly the same fragrance. It's very subtle, it's not that strong, it doesn't hit your head, and this is very like light fragrance of rose, not that strong. So this is a very good buy. Sweet Pea. So the person who was attending me at Bath and Body Works has told me this fragrance is like a fruity fragrance, not that strong. It has that peach fruity fragrance to it. So I just wanted to try. I've never tried any fruity fragrance in my car, so I just want to try. Yeah, I'm so obsessed with the eucalyptus and spearmint fragrances that I picked up their hand sanitizer also. This is a cute little bottle, plastic bottle, which is very easy to carry while traveling. This you get it for ₹2.95. I mean, I wanted to try, so yes, I really like the fragrance of eucalyptus. It has that stress relief fragrance, so I like eucalyptus a lot. I have used that eucalyptus fragrance in my car also. It was good, it was very nice, subtle, not that strong. So I thought to try the hand sanitizer also. And moving on to another interesting stuff which I picked up from Bath and Body Works are their candle stand. This looks so classy, guys. This comes in that aluminium finishing, very light in weight, and they have many other beautiful candle stands, but I really like this one. Simple and sober, very elegant look. If you can see the design, it has that diamond stud to it, and which looks so classy. I mean, if you have any function at home, any party, any guest coming over, this gives a center of attraction. I mean, anyone who look at this, they definitely gonna ask from where you got this one. So I really like that. So I picked up 2 of this, and this I got it for ₹1299. Amazing. I mean, it's not that heavy, it's very light in weight. Your candle fits inside very easily. There is a note here mentioned that sleeve may get hot during use, and extinguish candle and allow to cool before touching or handling. So be careful whenever you light any candle. So leave it as it is. When you blow it off, just keep it as it is, the candle inside. The moment it gets cooled down, then you remove the candle from the stand, because it might get heat up or something. So this is a very good product. I am looking forward to use this because I have not tried this. I have many candles of Bath and Body Works. I've used many candles, but I never thought of investing in a candle stand. So this time I looked at it and I really like this. I'll show it again how it looks. Doesn't it looks classy, guys? Say yes. It's very nice. Moving on to our candles. So the candle comes in this box, a hard box, very classy, again good for gifting option. So I got this Bath and Body Works Parisian Rose. Now this bottle looks so classy itself. I mean, it has that black finish to it. It's a glass bottle. It comes with a lid to it. This is the plastic lid. You want to blow off the candles, the lid comes with it. You just have to put it across on this and you're done. So you know, you don't get that those burn fragrance. It comes with 3 wicks, and guys, it's so nice. I mean, I can't explain you. It is a perfume candle, guys, so it has that kind of a perfume fragrance. Obviously it's very subtle, very light, and it's very refreshing. Talking about the fragrance, in simple word, when you go to any perfume shop, that you know, that kind of a fragrance you get the moment you enter the any perfume shop. This is that fragrance, guys. And also it gives me that kind of a aroma when you enter any luxurious suite, when you enter it. So that fragrance it has, it's very nice, very subtle. I'm in love with this. Yeah, seriously, I'm gonna definitely use after this shoot itself. So it has that kind of a rose, little, you know, that light rose fragrance to it, and I'm in love with this, guys. And moving on to the next candle is the Aromatherapy Stress Relief Spearmint Candle. I was talking to you guys about the eucalyptus and spearmint fragrance, which I'm very much obsessed with. So by the name itself you can come to know. Again, 3 wicks candle. Yeah, it has that kind of a stress relieving, you know, therapy kind of fragrance. The moment you enter any spa room, you get that kind of aroma, that fragrance. This is that one. So it gives that very calming, cooling effect the moment you light this up in your bedroom, especially during night, you know, when you're stressed out or maybe you are tired. Just light this up, and it's a one solution, guys. It's just you have to light this up and just leave it. Automatically you will be happy, you will be stress relief, and you're gonna enjoy this candle, guys, the fragrance of this candle. So this is the one. Talking about the price for both the candles, each candle I got it for 2599, and this is for 11 grams. So yeah, I mean, it is expensive, but Bath and Body Works are expensive. Their products, their candles especially, their body care products are expensive. I would definitely recommend you guys to keep a track on their website, because they always come up with some of the other offers on their candles and their body care products. So this is the candle you should definitely try if you haven't tried this one. I also picked up one deodorant for Rumi. I just wanted to try, like, you know, how the fragrance is. So this is the Marble by Bath and Body Works men's collection. I have tried the fragrance of this at the store. It has that ocean aqua fragrance. I'm very obsessed again with aqua fragrances, so I like the fragrance of this, and I wanted Rumi to try this one, so I picked up this for him. And this is for rupees 1299. Guys, don't blame me, I also got Aromatherapy Stress Relief hand cream. This is again eucalyptus and spearmint edition. I just liked this fragrance. The moment I applied this on my hand, it gave me a kind of stress buster, you know. It's like that kind of a fragrance you get you just feel like relaxing, just leave everything and just lie down. You know, that kind of a fragrance it has when you are like, you know, just want to take a break, just take one nap. So this is very nice hand cream. I liked it, and you can also use this as a sanitizer, so it's a very good one. And this I got it for $3.99. Very good. Yeah. Okay, moving on to our next one is the Clean Slate by Bath and Body Works. Now this is their shower gel. I have used a lot of shower gels by Bath and Body Works, so I wanted to try this. This is from their men's collection. I have picked up for Rumi again. This is for $12.99, and again this has that ocean citrusy, you know, that marine kind of fragrance, you know, so very good one. And it is 3-in-1. This says you can also use this for hair, face and body wash. The Hibiscus Paradise. Now the fragrance of this is really good. I mean, it has that aloe vera plus vitamin E, and it also has that juicy guava fragrance to it, and obviously the pink hibiscus you know, flavor it has. So this is a new edition, by the way, so I haven't used their shower gel or maybe candle. I want to try this one, and this is also for $12.99. This, both the bottles comes in net 295 ml. The Hibiscus Paradise Fine Fragrance Mist. I do have other mist also from Bath and Body Works, but this is their new edition, so I picked up in a combo of both of this. So the shower gel and the body mist. Not that strong. I don't like strong fragrance when it comes to your mist and all, so this is a really good one which I liked it, and I got this for $14.99. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please take a moment to like this video and also forward it to your circle, whoever is looking forward to purchase Bath and Body Works and they are confused, because I myself get confused a lot of time, because they have a lot of good fragrances, lot of products, so you get confused which one to go for. So these are the products which I actually tried and tested in their showroom, and so you can give a try, and these are expensive but they are worth buying it. With this, it's a wrap. I'm gonna see you soon in my next video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Roam by Iranis, and do follow us on Instagram, because we keep updating a lot of content there as well, and we are coming up with a lot of awesome fun content in our future videos. So please take a moment to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye. Love you.